Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you're safe and sound. Welcome to Melly's Telegram classes. And our today's grammar is about simple past tense. زمان گذشته ساده. Positive ابتدا مثبتش میخوانیم. It shows an action that happened at a specific time in the past. زمان گذشته ساده عملی را نشان میده که در یک زمان مشخص در گذشته رخ داد. verb فعلی که در زمان گذشته ساده استفاده میشه is second form حالت دوم فعل هست. و helping verb فعل کمکیش did که در منفی و سوالیش استفاده میشه. structure ساختارش subject plus second form of the verb object or complement فاعل به علاوه حالت دوم فعل سپس مفعول یا متمم. For example, she called us yesterday. او دیروز به ما زنگ زد. Subject is she called the second form of the verb us object or complement. They started the project last week. He bought the books last night. It rained in the morning. We passed the test last month. And now, simple past tense negative. استفاده زمان گذشته ساده در جملات منفی. Structure ساختارش subject plus did plus not plus first form of the verb object or complement. Keep in mind that in the negative form of simple past tense after did not we bring first form of the verb. در جمله منفی گذشته ساده بعد از فعل کمکی و not حالت اول فعل را استفاده میکنه. For example, she did not این حالت کاملش هست did not didn't حالت اختصار یافته یا کوتاهش call us yesterday. See, it is not called حالت دوم نامده حالت اولش استفاده the first form of the verb because after the helping verb did we use first form of the verb. They did not start the project last week. He did not buy the books last night. It did not rain in the morning. We did not pass the test last month. Simple past tense question. استفاده گذشته ساده در سوال یا جملات پرسشی. Structure ساختارش did. The helping verb comes first. یعنی فعل کمکیش که did هست در ابتدا میاد. Subject first form of the verb object or complement and a question mark. Did she call us yesterday? See, did the helping verb. What is the subject? She. First form of the verb call. Us the object or complement. Did they start the project last week? Did he buy the books last night? Did it rain in the morning? Did we pass the test last month? This brings us to the end of our today's session. ولی دانش آموزان عزیز باید داشته باشید که یک تمرین ضمیمه ویدیو شده که بعد از تماشای ویدیو باید انجامش دهید. Thank you and goodbye.